Quantitative adjectives. Listen and practice. 1. I have one dog. 2. She bought 2 dresses. 3. We need 3 chairs. 4. He has 4 cars. 5. There are 5 apples. 6. She has 6 cats. 7. They have 7 children. 8. I need 8 hours of sleep. 9. There are 9 students. 10. He has 10 books. 'Few. There are few options. 'Many. She has many friends. 'Several. We saw several birds. 'Some. I need some help. 'Any. Do you have any questions? Much. There isn't much time. More. I need more information. Less. We have less money. Enough. There is enough food. All. She ate all the cookies. Both. We invited both friends. Each. Each student received a book. Every. Every child needs love. Either. You can choose either option. Neither. Neither answer is correct. Half. I ate half the cake. Whole. He drank the whole bottle. Double. I need double the amount. Triple. She has triple the energy. Dozen. We bought a dozen eggs. Hundred. There are 100 people. Thousand. He has 1,000 followers. Million. The company made $1 million. Billion. The population is billion. Fewest. This option has the fewest problems. Most. She has the most experience. Least. He has the least interest. Numerous. There are numerous reasons. Plenty. We have plenty of time. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Evolution Step 1. Leave a comment below with your own examples of quantitative adjectives. See you in the next lesson.